接天莲叶无穷碧，映日荷花别样红。
Hey, are you here to see the lotus too?
Yes.
And do you know that this lotus pond also brought a great economic benefit to this village?
Oh, that's cool.
Would you like to take a country walk with us and we can see the beautiful ecological agriculture?
Yeah, of course.
So let's head in now.
很开心的，在护理是我们老人们在家里无聊没有事呗，在厂里奶奶给我们干一下活啊。
It's like sweet, and I love the process, how they made it, and how they check the quality, and how they package it also, and I love it.
We are almost at the end of today's activity, and I think my foreign friends must have a lot of things to say. So let's have a chat with them.
They used to farm fish here, but it was a problem because there is a lot of waste. But how they have managed to solve the problem is a good thing.
Well, I think it's a pretty good strategy. We had a course about Chinese development model, and it aims at integrating businesses and creating job opportunities based on cultivation and agriculture. And I think it's pretty interesting that they're making use of very simple tasks to offer employment to grannies, for example, that would otherwise just be sitting at home and doing nothing with no income.
What a wonderful country walk we experienced today. Apart from feeling the relaxing and peaceful time in the village, we can also explore the ecological agriculture and the new mode of the village. So why not spend your summertime in Xinyu Village and enjoy your summertime? Bye!